Today I'm making a video of this 30-foot pup Stepdeck Lowboy trailer. I'll do a walk around real quick. From the front, you see it has new air couplers. The angle iron on the top was placed by the previous owner who carried some kind of equipment. I believe he put it there to just keep the equipment from rolling too far forward. It's got good straight rails, diamond plate decking. It has tool storage up in the gooseneck. 2-speed landing gear. The trailer is a factory built trailer, but this plate is unreadable. The previous owner had it registered as a state of Georgia homemade trailer, which is how I got it, which is how I'm selling it with the bill of sale. The deck is in good shape. Outer rails are good shape. These two tires are good on this side. The other side has one worn tire and another good tire. The decking sits on 3/8 plate steel all the way down. Between the cross members, it'll keep anything from trying to fall through the wooden deck. Has expanded metal grate in the center for walking on. Has double fold ramps that lay flat, and they are easy to flip out and flip back up. All the lights work well. The trailer, I believe, is a good southern trailer. There's no significant rust accumulation or anything underneath it. You can see everything's in good shape under here. The brakes work very well. Has 4 of these D-ring tie downs, heavy duty tie downs for chains or binders for your equipment. Don't know if I mentioned, all the lights do work. It pulls really well. It's a good trailer overall. I'm looking for another trailer, so I'm selling this one. It's 10 foot of the upper deck. It has 13 foot on the wood deck, and I believe there's 5 feet there on the beaver tail with an additional 3 foot for the ramps. My price is $5,400. My name is James, and my phone number is 706-340-8053.